video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful car cake. I made this cake for my son's second birthday and he liked it a lot. It's very easy to make. You can easily make it at home. We don't need any special baking tin for it. Just use your simple baking tin and you can make this cake at home. So let's begin. Here I have already baked the cake in a normal square baking tin. Just take it out on any plate. You can see the cake has baked very nicely. I baked it eggless. It's a vanilla sponge cake. So now I'm going to cut the topmost crust. As I need a flat cake, so I just remove the topmost part of the cake. Now grab a cake board. And first we will do some cutting. I'm making base of the car, so just cut the cake just like I did. Just roughly measure from both sides. It will give you an idea to cut it equally from each side. So just take out the excess. We need this part later on, so just keep it aside. Now cut it from another side. I'm not measuring it, I'm just doing it roughly, as we need a rectangle base in the middle. So just take out the sides. I'm measuring the width of piece of cake I took with the help of a bread knife. Now cut the same length of sponge cake from the leftover cake that we kept earlier. Make it smooth from the sides and place it on the top of the sponge cake. Don't place the piece of cake in the middle. Just try to adjust it roughly. Place it in a manner that we need more space in the front and less space on the back. Now cut the edges as I am doing. You need to be very careful that you don't break the sponge cake. So just do it nicely and slowly. Cut it from all the four sides. Take your time and do it very nicely. We're actually trying to make a little pyramid on the top, but that should not be very pointed. So just do it the way I'm doing it. Give it a nice finishing from all sides. So this is the shape I wanted. It should be just looking like this. Now I'm going to make the front part of the car. So here I'm slicing the edges. Just like this. We don't need to do it too much. Just a little bit. Our front part of car is ready. Now I'm going to work on back side of the car. I'm going to place a spoiler on the back So just take the leftover sponge cake and cut it in a required length. Just measure it like this. And cut it. And place it on the back of the car. Don't worry if it's dropping at this moment. We can fix it later. I'm just going to take a roughly idea. It wasn't looking so smooth, so I sliced a thin piece of cake just to make a smooth base. This looks okay now. Now turn it over. And slice it a little bit. Now this looks perfect. Now just slice it a little diagonally. Our cake base is ready. Just give it a little more finishings. Okay, so now grab a cake bowl and place it on the cake stand and apply some icing. Now take the base of the cake and divide it into 2 equal halves. And place the one layer of the cake on the cake board and apply some icing. Now put the next layer of the cake. Just make sure that you are placing the sheet in a correct manner. I mean, see the front and back part of the cake sheet. It should be in a proper manner. Now I am going to place the top part of the card, divide it into 2 equal halves as well. And place it on the cake. Just make sure don't put it exactly in the middle, as we need little bit more area in the front, so just place it in a manner that it leaves a little space on the back. Apply some icing to it. Just cover it with the icing. Now we want to make sure that it doesn't fall, so I'm going to secure it with a toothpick. Now clean the cake board with wet paper towel and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's start doing the icing. We had already made the base of the card, so now this is the time to decorate it. You can choose any color of your choice. I'm using red but in video I don't know why it's showing pink, but actually it was a red color. Okay, then we just made outlines for the windows and fill it up all the way like this. Our car cake has covered with the base color. Now I'm taking another color and I wrote name of my son on the back of the car, and he's turning 2. So I decorated number 2 with some icing on the front. You can decorate your cake however you like. Here I made headlights of the car. Next I am making tires. Instead of using icing, you can also use any small biscuits like Oreos. Just simply place it instead of making tires with the icing. That will be much easier, but it's totally up to you. However you want to make your cake, you can do that. Next I just did some outlines with the melted chocolate just to enhance the look. Our car cake is completely ready. Here I wrote happy birthday Yuvan. That's my son's name. You can also decorate your cake board with some flowering icing or anything you like. So, did you see how easy it is to make a car cake at home? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video with another recipe. Till then, take care and bye bye.